So today we're going to talk about importing images into SketchUp. We also need to draw these images. So what we're going to do first is we need to find an image. Let's go ahead and go to our classroom website, www.gaston102.com. You should have this bookmarked. If you don't, go ahead and type it into Chrome, and then you should get this page. Now the first thing we need to do is there's a tab up on the top right hand corner called Resources. If you hover over it, you'll see Star Logo for SketchUp pops up. Go ahead and click that link. Once there, you need to scroll down and you'll see a star. I need you to right click the star and do Save Image As. We're going to save this. All right. We want to save this to our desktop. Okay, if desktop does not pop up, you'll see this PC, double click this PC, and then double click desktop, but we need to rename this file, okay? This file is going to come in as unnamed, and we don't want to keep naming things unnamed. So let's go ahead and we're going to call this star, okay? It will give the extension of PNG automatically when it gets to your desktop. You don't need to type that in. Then I'm going to click Save. Now that I've done that, I've now downloaded my image. Now I'm going to go to SketchUp. I've already opened up a new document. I chose woodworking millimeters like we have on every project. The next thing I need to do is I need to import my image. I'm going to go to File, Import, and click. You'll see a screen pop up here that goes to, right now it goes to my desktop. That was a default because I think I've already had it open. If it doesn't, go to this PC, and then you're going to go to desktop. All right, you'll see a thumbnail here. It might show a star. It might also show a black box. Right now mine just shows a image icon that's going on. Okay, I need to click on that, but I also need to make sure if I don't see what I'm looking for, I need to click down here on the right corner and make sure I've selected all supported image types. These are everything that can go into SketchUp. If I pick something else, it may not work. So I'm going to make sure that's selected. Okay, my star images is here. I've clicked on it. My file name has come up down here, and see how it has the PNG extension? So I know that it's correct. Then I'm going to click Import. When it comes in, it's attached to my cursor. I haven't placed it anywhere yet. The first thing I want to do is let's go ahead and click. I find a spot I want it, and I'm going to click. Now that I've clicked, I'm going to size because it's not ready yet. Watch what happens. Now it comes a little bigger. Pretty simple, right? Once I've got it in the size I want, I'm going to click again, and now it's placed. You'll see the blue line around it. Okay? So now we want to draw this image. I'm going to grab my line tool. What's the shortcut for the line tool? It's the L on your keyboard. Okay, and now I'm going to make sure that I'm actually drawing on it. You won't see the line as you're drawing, but you have to just trust that you're doing it. So I'm going to actually click once, and this is a simple image. I want to make sure that it says on face in image as I'm clicking, or from point. Okay, you'll see it changes. Sometimes it says on edge of image. Okay, on face of image. So I'm just going to keep clicking. On face of image is very important, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, because remember how we talked before about perspective and all three of our axis lines. So now if I rotate, I want to make sure that that's flat. Once I feel pretty confident in it, I can go ahead and select my image, and I can either hide or erase it. If I hide it, it's still there if I need it later. If I erase it, I'll have to put it back, and it's really hard to match up. For right now, I'm going to hide it, but you can always erase it once you feel confident. All right, go ahead and give that a try. After you're done, I want you to apply some of the tools that we learned this week. We did the offset tool. We also did the push-pull tool. Go ahead and give that a try. And then maybe go to Google on Chrome and find an image that you can use. Good luck.